Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, my name is Fiandra-Al, and today I want to do one of my project that is IT presentation. But in this occasion, it is a bit different because we usually do the presentation on the TV, but since the TV is I think broken and had some problems, so I do it just with my laptop. Yeah, and today what I want to explain is that color grading. Yeah, and the platform that I'm currently going to use is Photopea for color grading. Right, let's just go to the next slide. First is that what is Photopea? Yeah, understanding Photopea and color grading. So Photopea is basically the free version of Photoshop, and then web-based raster and vector graphic design editor that operates directly in the website browser. Yeah, so maybe you guys already understand what is Photoshop, so you guys should be already know what is Photopea. Yeah, so this is the tutorial that I'm going to show you, step by step. Yeah, first you need to choose any image, and then the second one you need to upload it to Photopea. Yeah, I haven't done the slide, but follow my tutorial. The rest. Yeah, so yeah, I'm going to show you in here. Yeah, so this is the image that we're going to change. Uh, so before we start that, we must have a goals first. So the goals for me is that to change this image, yeah, it is looks really AI generated, so we're going to make it a bit realistic. Like for example, maybe we want the grass to look more green instead of light green, and then the the lights to be more realistic and anything else, and I'm going to show you here. Yeah, so the first thing is that you touch this new adjustment layer. Oh yeah, but before that I have to have the image first by uploading the image. This one, as you can see, new adjustment layer, and then there's a couple of there's many there's many options here, but the first one is that you must choose hue and saturation. Yeah, this one is to change the amount of colors, but before that maybe you must also learn about the brush tool. Yeah, so brush tool, this is of course in other platform, this is just for brush to draw or anything else, but in this case it is different, so I'm going to show you now. This is the adjustment layer, and then let's just say that I want to make the grass, like what I say, it is darker. Yeah, so we're just going to take a look here and adjust like how we wanted it. Let's just say this one is enough. Yeah, but as you can see, maybe the sky is a bit too green, too yeah, I don't know what's in English. Yeah, so let's just remove the color in the sky first by brush. Yeah, so brush tool, we must press B. That's the brush tool, and make sure it is colored black, and hardness is 0%. And how do we do it first? Maybe we just gotta add the size first. Yeah, make sure it is bigger, and now we must wait. What? How do I zoom in? Yeah, we must color only the sky and evade the objects in here. Yeah, so let's just say, oh, sorry, and also you must click this one. Yeah, just like this, and then well, the sky is blue again, but make sure you color all of it, or else it will be look really unrealistic. Yeah, if it gets to a tighter area, you can adjust the size to be much smaller so it can be fit and color like how you want it. Just like this. Just follow my steps. Also this one, the edge. Don't forget. Just like this. Yeah, so it is now more realistic. And then the second one is that you go to the new adjustment layer again and then click the photo filter. Yeah, what is this for? It is for like a, yeah, it's like the name, it is for a photo filter. Yeah, so you can adjust the density, but for now it is used for the for the mountains. Yeah, so maybe adjust like this, and then click this one again, and then come to brush tool, and then we're going to color the area around it. Yeah, just like that. And then yeah, this one also, all of it, so it wouldn't be affected by the photo filter. Yeah, also the trees and everything else, because you will need it. This one, yeah, look, so it is now 10 times better, and then the lights is also better here. It just looks like the sun shines at it. Yeah, and then also one more that is brightness and contrast. Yeah, so this one is of course brightness. If you think your image too dark or anything, but to make it better, is that you can lower the brightness first, and then go to brush tool again, maximum size, and wait, maybe a little bit more. Yeah, so bring the brightness lower, and then now you can let what? Yeah, you can just brush off the top, and then just making it looking better by some dark shades in the bottom. Yeah, I think just like that for the tutorial, and then yeah, the name is Photopea, and then yeah, maybe you can remember the name of the adjustment layer. There is brightness and contrast, photo filter, and hue and saturation. Yeah, also the brush tool. These are the layers. Yeah, so I think that's all for me. Thank you very much for you who have watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.